Let's create a manual pacing plan. Let's take a minute to look around before we get started. If this is a multi-subject class, you can create a unique pacing plan for each subject by switching between them from this drop-down in the top right corner of your screen. First, you'll see that you are able to add test days and review days to your plan. Let's add a test day by selecting Test Day and then checking the days we want it. I want one on the first day of school and then on each following Monday, so I'll do that now. Then we click Save and Add More here at the bottom to continue. I also want a review day every Friday, so I'll do that now. Then save it. Next, let's add some standards. I'll select the first standard from the list, and I know it might take a few days to teach this, so I'll select 3 days to teach it. You know what? I changed my mind. I want to teach something else on the 3rd day instead. Let's select the standard I want to teach, and then I can click the trash can icon here and confirm that I want to delete what's currently in there and free up the day. Now, I can check the box and save it. You will notice that on the left, you have access to all of the Common Core standards for this grade and subject in a list. But what if you know there's a standard from last year or from another subject that you want to integrate into your lesson plan? You can click here to select a grade and subject to view any of the Common Core standards to add them into your plan. What if you want to create a custom standard? For example, you want to teach special right triangles with project-based learning. Simply type it here and save it to the list. Now, at the top of the list, you'll be able to select that new custom standard and drop it into your pacing plan. The standards that are placed into your pacing plan will be used later in organizing your year, keeping track of your use of the standards, but also to help create lesson plans with. So, feel free to get your creative juices flowing and come up with your own ways to teach. If you are teaching the same subject and grade to multiple different classes, you'll be able to copy this one into your next class easily, so be sure to check out the video on copying a pacing plan.